Hello everyone, my name is Rhoda and today I'll show you how to make this delicious eggplant parmesan that is such an amazing recipe. So for this recipe you're going to need one eggplant. This one is a medium one, but you can use two of these. I have one that is already cut. So basically what we are gonna do is to cut this at least 1 centimeter or half an inch, as you can see. Now we are going to immerse these eggplants in cold water. So I have some over here that already are in water. I just will add these ones. So these are different eggplants, but you can use whatever eggplants you have at home. So don't throw them away if they are getting a little bit dark. They are still good. So now that we are doing this, we want to add at least 1 tablespoon of salt. We just want to try to cover this. Okay, cover them just like this. Leave them there for at least 10 minutes. 10 minutes has passed. Now we're going to cover these eggplants with flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. So what I love to do is to add some garlic powder, basil, oregano, a little bit, and some salt. I'll also add a little bit of black pepper. So what I'm going to do is to mix this pretty well. Okay, this is perfect. And for this, I'm gonna need 2 eggs. Let's beat them up a little bit. Okay, so now what we are going to do is to cover the eggplants just like this with this flour that is well seasoned. So let's put a little bit more in there, just like this. Let's cover with egg, both sides. Okay, this is perfect. Let's go to the breadcrumbs. That's pretty much what we are looking for. Let's do the same thing with all the eggplants. You can use your fork to help the egg a little bit to get a stick here, to stick it here. Okay. Okay, so look at these eggplants. They are perfectly coated with breadcrumbs, eggs, and flour. So now we want to add here some olive oil and some Parmesan cheese. It's just to drizzle a little bit, just like this, on each and every one of them. Not that much, just to give a little bit of flavor. now I have Parmesan cheese here, and I will just put a little bit of Parmesan on each of them. Just like so. Okay. And this will add a really good flavor to these eggplants. Okay. And this will go to the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for at least 15 minutes. Okay everyone, so I have here fresh mozzarella cheese that we are going to use for the next step. I have sauce. This one is just pasta sauce, the traditional one. You can get your marinara sauce of your preference. So basically what I need is 1 spoonful of sauce on each eggplant, just like this. Let's just close the Parmesan just like this with the other ones. Let's find ones that have the proper size for each one of them. These ones are huge, you guys. So basically that's what I need. This one over here. Okay, you guys. Let's put some more sauce on top. Let's add some more shredded mozzarella on top. Just like this. You can use fontina cheese as well if you like. That one has a little bit more of flavor. But mozzarella cheese is perfect for these eggplants. More of Parmigiano, Parmesan cheese, a little bit more. Okay, and that's it, you guys. We can put this in the oven 390 Fahrenheit for 15 more minutes, or until the cheese is totally melted with a golden color. Okay everyone, so I have here fresh basil that I am growing myself, and this one is ready to be harvested. Actually I should have harvested this at least a week ago, but I wanted to keep it for this recipe. So what I'm gonna do is basically cut this branch over here. As you can see, I have more basil coming here, so I'm going to cut the main branch, that is this one. These two, this one, and I'm cutting this one too. let's wash them, and I'm coming in just a minute. Okay everyone, so as you can see, this basil is ready to be cut, and the smell that this basil has is amazing. So I'm just going to dry them up a little bit because they have a lot of water. Okay, so this is pretty much what we need to do. I'm keeping this one just to decorate our eggplants parmesan. Let me cut the ugly leaves just a little bit, just like this. Let me cut into that one. Okay, so I'm ready pretty much. So what I'm going to do is just to fold them like this to get very fine strips of fresh basil. This will add a beautiful green color to this dish and also a great flavor. Okay. Just like this. Wow. This smells so good, you guys. This is just perfect. So now we can just keep this until our eggplants are ready. Oh my god, you guys, these came out of the oven and they look so perfect. They are yummy and delicious. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we can serve this. Wow. Okay you guys, these are ready. We can just add some basil on top. That will add this beautiful green color. I can't wait to try this. You should make this recipe because I believe this is gonna be so good and yummy for everyone. Everybody will enjoy this recipe. So I hope you like this recipe and that you can prepare it at home. Let me know in the comments below if you like this recipe and what other recipes you would like to see in our YouTube channel. God bless you. See you next time. Bye bye. If you want to keep this for later, just use these containers. Are perfect. Well, at least 2. So you can prepare this ahead of time, and this is perfect for lunch. As you can see, you can keep this in your fridge and you can reheat it in the microwave for at least 3 or 5 minutes and you will have a delicious meal.